Today I'm going to be doing an update on the Dad cooler. The PC fan didn't really, it worked, but it wasn't how I want it to be. So I'm going to be using this 12 volt vacuum, the actual blower blades on it. We'll see how that works out. Okay, so I got the motor and the fan. Got it on there. Okay, this is what the updated version looks like. This is the top of the shop vac integrated. I got the ice in there. Add a few beers. Now we're gonna turn it on. Got the water circulating. Give it a minute for the radiator to get cold and turn on the fan. Ice cold.